Forget melting ice and lukewarm drinks on your next adventure. This Explorer Bear 50L portable refrigerator promises to keep your food perfectly chilled, even in the harshest conditions. And honestly, it's a game changer for anyone who loves the outdoors. Imagine going from a sweltering 77 degrees to a frosty 32 degrees in just 15 minutes. That's seriously impressive speed. It's built tough too, with a stainless steel body and a damage-resistant coating, so you don't have to baby it. Plus, that 3-year compressor warranty gives you real peace of mind. Organization inside is a breeze with the included baskets, and the built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch for those late-night snack runs. The lid is reversible and removable, which is surprisingly convenient. What really sets this apart is its versatility. It runs on solar, your car's 12V outlet, or even a standard AC wall plug, making it adaptable to almost any situation. Power consumption is surprisingly low, with an eco mode sipping just 30 watts and a max rapid mode using only 45 watts, with minimal draw once the desired temperature is reached. The noise level is also a huge plus. At 45 decibels, it's quieter than most household refrigerators, so it won't be a distraction. And for those worried about draining their car battery, the built-in low-voltage protection is a smart safety feature. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to dial in your exact temperature from a chilly 0 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees. While placement under direct sunlight can affect performance, a little strategic positioning or some reflective insulation goes a long way. Overall, the Explorer Bear 50L is a robust, efficient, and incredibly capable portable fridge that's ready for any journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.